In the realm of project management, cost budgeting emerges as a cornerstone of success. It's not just about numbers, it's about meticulous planning, resource allocation, and vigilant monitoring to ensure your project stays on track financially. A well-defined cost budget acts as a roadmap, guiding your project toward its ultimate destination without veering into the treacherous terrain of budget overruns. Imagine embarking on a journey without a map or a clear sense of the distance. You might find yourself lost, running out of supplies, and ultimately failing to reach your destination. Similarly, a project without a robust cost budget is like a ship adrift at sea, vulnerable to unforeseen expenses, delays, and ultimately, failure. Cost budgeting is the process of estimating and allocating financial resources to different activities within a project. It involves identifying all the costs associated with the project, from labor and materials to equipment and overhead. By meticulously planning and managing these costs, project managers can ensure that the project stays within budget and achieves its objectives. Effective cost budgeting is not merely about preventing overspending, it's about optimizing resource allocation to maximize the project's value. It's about making informed decisions, anticipating potential financial risks, and ensuring that the project delivers the desired outcomes without breaking the bank. Cost estimation is the foundation of a solid project budget. It involves predicting the cost of each activity, task, and resource required to complete the project. Accurate cost estimation is crucial, as it directly impacts the project's feasibility and profitability. Several cost estimation methods exist, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Analogous estimating leverages historical data from similar projects to predict costs, while parametric estimating uses mathematical models to calculate costs based on project variables. Bottom-up estimating involves breaking down the project into smaller tasks and estimating the cost of each task individually. The choice of estimation method depends on the project's complexity, available data, and the desired level of accuracy. Regardless of the method used, it's crucial to involve experts, gather reliable data, and consider potential risks and uncertainties. Best practices for cost estimation include documenting all assumptions, using multiple estimation methods for comparison, and regularly reviewing and refining estimates as the project progresses. By adhering to these practices, project managers can enhance the accuracy of their cost estimates and build a more reliable budget. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, is a hierarchical decomposition of the project into smaller, manageable components. It serves as a framework for cost estimation and budget allocation, ensuring that every aspect of the project is accounted for. The WBS breaks down the project into work packages, which are the smallest units of work that can be estimated and managed independently. Each work package is assigned a cost, duration, and responsible party, providing a granular view of the project's cost structure. By organizing the project into a hierarchical structure, the WBS facilitates cost estimation, simplifies resource allocation, and enhances project tracking and control. It provides a clear roadmap for project execution, ensuring that all tasks are accounted for and budgeted appropriately. The WBS is a dynamic document that evolves as the project progresses. As new information emerges and the project scope is refined, the WBS is updated to reflect these changes, ensuring that the budget remains aligned with the project's current state. Budget allocation involves distributing the estimated costs across the project's various activities and time periods. Effective budget allocation ensures that resources are available when and where they are needed, optimizing project performance and minimizing financial risks. Several budget allocation techniques exist, each tailored to different project needs. Top-down budgeting allocates funds based on overall project estimates, while bottom-up budgeting aggregates costs from individual work packages. Activity-based budgeting allocates funds based on the activities required to complete the project. The choice of allocation technique depends on the project's complexity, available data, and the desired level of control. Regardless of the method used, it's crucial to align budget allocation with the project schedule, prioritize critical activities, and consider potential contingencies. Best practices for budget allocation include involving stakeholders, documenting allocation decisions, and regularly reviewing and adjusting the budget as the project progresses. By adhering to these practices, project managers can ensure that resources are allocated effectively and the project stays on track financially. In this section, we delve into keeping an eye on the finances through cost monitoring and control. Cost monitoring and control is the ongoing process of tracking project expenditures, comparing them to the budget, and taking corrective actions to address any variances. It's about staying vigilant, identifying potential cost overruns early on, and implementing measures to mitigate financial risks. Regular cost monitoring involves collecting data on actual project expenditures, comparing them to the budgeted amounts, and analyzing any discrepancies. This analysis helps identify trends, potential problems, and areas where corrective actions are needed. Cost control involves implementing measures to address cost variances and bring the project back in line with the budget. These measures might include renegotiating contracts, optimizing resource utilization, or adjusting the project scope. Effective cost monitoring and control requires clear communication, timely data collection, and a proactive approach to problem solving. By closely monitoring project finances, project managers can ensure that the project stays within budget and achieves its objectives. Now let's explore earned value management, a powerful technique for measuring project performance and forecasting future outcomes. Earned value management, or EVM, integrates cost, schedule, and scope data to provide a comprehensive view of project progress. EVM uses three key metrics: planned value, or PV, which represents the budgeted cost of work scheduled to be completed; earned value, or EV, which represents the value of work actually completed; and actual cost, or AC, which represents the actual cost incurred. By comparing these metrics, EVM provides insights into project performance, cost efficiency, and schedule adherence. It allows project managers to identify potential problems early on and take corrective actions to mitigate risks. EVM is a valuable tool for project control, enabling informed decision-making, accurate forecasting, and proactive risk management. By incorporating EVM into their cost management practices, project managers can enhance project performance and increase the likelihood of success. Section 7. Real-world applications, cost budgeting in action. Cost budgeting is not just a theoretical concept, it's a practical tool applied across various industries and projects. From construction and software development to event planning and healthcare, effective cost budgeting is essential for project success. In construction, cost budgeting ensures that projects are completed within the allocated budget, materials are procured efficiently, and labor costs are managed effectively. In software development, cost budgeting helps allocate resources for development, testing, and deployment, ensuring that the software is delivered on time and within budget. Event planning relies heavily on cost budgeting to estimate expenses for venues, catering, entertainment, and marketing, ensuring that the event is financially viable and profitable. In healthcare, cost budgeting plays a crucial role in managing hospital operations, allocating resources for patient care, and optimizing healthcare delivery. These examples highlight the diverse applications of cost budgeting and its significance in achieving project success across various industries. By applying cost budgeting principles, organizations can optimize resource allocation, minimize financial risks, and deliver projects that meet stakeholder expectations. Section 8. Software and tools streamlining cost management. The digital age has ushered in a plethora of software and tools designed to streamline cost management in project management. These tools automate tasks, enhance data analysis, and facilitate collaboration, empowering project managers to handle complex budgets with greater efficiency. Project management software like Microsoft Project, Asana, and Jira offer built-in cost management features, allowing project managers to track expenses, analyze variances, and generate reports. Specialized cost estimation software such as CostX and Sage Estimating provides advanced features for detailed cost breakdowns, quantity takeoffs, and bid management. Cloud-based platforms like Procore and Aconex offer centralized cost management solutions, enabling real-time collaboration, data sharing, and cost control across project teams. These platforms provide access to real-time cost data, facilitate communication, and streamline approval workflows. By leveraging these software and tools, project managers can automate tedious tasks, gain valuable insights from data analysis, and collaborate effectively with stakeholders. These technologies enhance cost management efficiency, accuracy, and transparency, contributing to smoother project execution and improved financial outcomes. Section 9. The impact of effective cost budgeting. Effective cost budgeting is not merely a financial exercise, it's a strategic imperative that significantly impacts project success and stakeholder satisfaction. A well-defined and meticulously managed budget empowers project teams to make informed decisions, allocate resources efficiently, and deliver projects that meet or exceed expectations. By accurately estimating costs, allocating resources effectively, and monitoring expenditures diligently, project managers can minimize the risk of budget overruns, delays, and project failures. This proactive approach to cost management fosters a sense of confidence among stakeholders, strengthens the project's financial viability, and enhances its overall success rate. Moreover, effective cost budgeting enables project teams to optimize resource utilization, prioritize critical activities, and make informed trade-offs. This strategic allocation of resources ensures that the project delivers maximum value within the given constraints, maximizing return on investment and stakeholder satisfaction. Ultimately, mastering cost budgeting is not just about staying within budget. It's about achieving project excellence by making informed financial decisions, optimizing resource allocation, and delivering projects that meet or exceed expectations. Section 10. Conclusion. Mastering cost budgeting for project success. In the dynamic landscape of project management, cost budgeting stands as a critical pillar of success. It's a journey that demands meticulous planning, diligent execution, and constant vigilance. By mastering the art of cost budgeting, project managers can navigate the complexities of financial management, steer their projects towards triumph, and deliver exceptional results. From the initial stages of cost estimation to the ongoing process of monitoring and control, every step in cost budgeting plays a crucial role in shaping the project's financial trajectory. By embracing best practices, utilizing appropriate tools, and fostering a culture of cost awareness, project teams can optimize resource allocation, mitigate financial risks, and ensure project success. As you embark on your project management endeavors, remember that cost budgeting is not merely a task to be completed, but a mindset to be embraced. It's about making informed financial decisions, prioritizing value creation, and ultimately, delivering projects that meet or exceed stakeholder expectations. By mastering cost budgeting, you equip yourself with the financial acumen to navigate the complexities of project management and achieve lasting success.